Welcome to the Spellbinders February 2026 Clear Stamp and Die of the Month Club called Ears to Spring. The stamp set this month contains both sentiments and images. There are 9 spring sentiments, including several that are Easter specific. There is a large border image that fits on an A2 card, and several smaller images that can be added to it, such as butterflies and flowers. To start, stamp all 9 sentiments in black ink on white cardstock. Stamping and die cutting all of the sentiments means that you can choose whichever sentiment best suits your card and save the rest for future cards. Stamp the small images and the larger border in a black ink. Temporarily adhere the dies around the stamped images and sentiments with Spellbinders Best Ever Craft Tape and run them through the die cut machine. There is a die to match every single stamp in the set. Let's use this month's stamps and dies to make a card. Stamp the border image in watercolor safe black ink on either watercolor or Bristol Smooth cardstock. Use the Spellbinders fine-tipped water brush and the Yasutomo 36 color watercolor palette to do a simple coloring of the image. Start with the grass and use just a small amount of water on the water brush to mix up a bit of the color and add it to the image. Then color the Easter egg background color. While that is drying, color in the tiny flowers. Move back to the egg once it is mostly dried and add color to the polka dots. There is lots of detail already included in the bunny part of the stamp, but you can add a bit of gray for shading and a bit of pink to the ears and nose. Next, color some of the smaller images, like the additional flowers and butterflies. For the background, use a piece of white cardstock cut to 4 by 5 1/4 inches. With the Spellbinders blending brush, add some Distress Oxide ink in tumbled glass. Add some cracked pistachio Distress Oxide ink blended over the bottom third of the panel. Add some Spellbinders foam squares to the back of the watercolor border and pop it up at the bottom of the ink blended panel. Flip the panel over and use scissors to trim off anything hanging over the side. Then add tape runner to the back of the panel and adhere it down to an A2 piece of Spellbinders mint cardstock. Use small foam squares behind your chosen sentiment and add it to the sky part of the blended background. Use small foam squares to add dimension behind the butterflies and add those to the card as well. For an extra embellishment, use small pearls in the center of the flowers that are adhered behind the border. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!